So, morning folks, Shane here. Just got up after our first night of camping here in, where are we? Back Beyond campsite, down in the near the New Forest, Ringwood. What a cracking place, and as you can see, there's the tent. We've had our coffee, had our porridge, and this is the view we get when we open the tent door. Absolutely. So yeah, absolutely stunning. Didn't come on the bike, came in the car this time because Kim's with me, and hey, I'm really pleased she is. It's how can I put it? It's a great experience, really is. Kim hasn't been camping for a few years. She used to do a lot of it a long time ago with her family, but no, this is absolutely brilliant. Thoroughly enjoying it.
What's cooking this morning, Dad?
Morning campers. So today we're using the Jetboil Mini Mo, knocking up a bit of bacon to go in our croissants.
Beautiful.
Happy days. So folks, this is Back of Beyond's wild camping area. I'll just do a quick 360 so you can see what's behind me. It's absolutely spot on. It really is. Really peaceful. This area had about 10 tents in it last night. A lot of people have gone home today as it's Sunday. But I have to say, it's absolutely stunning. The facilities here are fantastic. Everything's spotlessly clean. Good showers, clean bathrooms and whatnot, and yeah, I would definitely recommend this campsite to folks. So, and apparently this area we're in now has got some sort of what would you call it, a sort of scientific interest, whether that's for the fauna and the flora, I don't know, but it's very pretty. So Kim,
Yes.
what do you think to Out of Bounds, Back of Beyond, not Out of Bounds, Back of Beyond campsite?
Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous.
Is that it?
Yep. What you spoke
See, my wife, star of stage and screen, there she is, look. That's why she's wearing the dark glasses, because she doesn't want people to recognise her. A woman of few words. Yeah, so really, as I say, this place, Back and Beyond, near the New Forest, which is a bonus, beautiful part of the world. It's literally off the coast road near Ringwood, dead easy to get to, but as the name suggests, you really do feel that you're in the Back of Beyond. So yeah, anybody who fancies a nice campsite with both a bar and food delivered on the weekends, give them a look at, give them a look. I don't think you'll be disappointed.
Wait, look.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. How you feeling, Womble?
Warm and lovely.
She's feeling warm and lovely. And happy days. Yeah, and I don't blame her. It's absolutely cracking. Lovely. Right, we're coming up to reception now in the shop area. There's also a little bar here, which is nice. Let's have a spin round with the old camera. So yeah, happy days. Definitely coming back here. Absolutely beautiful. Spot on, and all the staff are really good, nice and friendly, very helpful. So yeah, once again, back at Beyond campsite, near Ringwood, South Coast. Look at that, everybody. So folks, here we are in the New Forest, down in Hampshire. Could be Dorset, not sure which county I'm in at the moment. What a cracking place it is. Ancient woodland, for hunting ground for previous monarchs. It's a stunning part of the world, and today we're really lucky. The temperature's sitting around about 22-23 degrees. It's back end of September, and absolutely lovely. Really is lovely. Now there's a dead tree here, but it's almost fighting to say I ain't gone yet. Let me show you what I mean. It's almost like its hands, or it's still reaching up towards the sky. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So folks, this brings us to the end of our little camping video and our trip to the New Forest. Hope you've enjoyed it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't considered subscribing, if you haven't subscribed already that is, please press that subscribe button, leave a like if you like it, leave a thumbs down if you don't like it. But as always, stay safe and see you soon. Cheers now.